Hello everyone, and welcome to this video series on creating a children's book for Kindle. Join me, your host Genevieve, as I show you the process of writing this book, Alicia's Birthday Blues, that was written and illustrated by Christopher Becker. In this series, we will cover everything you need to know to create your own children's book, from choosing a topic to publishing your book. And if you find this series helpful, be sure to like, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. Let's get started. In this episode we will learn how to create our book with Canva. Before we start designing, let's get to know our software a bit better. Canva is a web-based graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of designs including social media posts, business cards, presentations, and of course, children's books. It has now grown to become one of the most popular graphic design tools available today. One of the biggest benefits is its intuitive and user-friendly interface that allows users to create beautiful designs even if they don't have any design experience. Now that we have a little bit more of a background regarding the software we will be using, let's prepare for the process of creating a children's book. Before you start designing, you'll need to have your script and storyboard ready. The script should include a clear storyline, dialogues, and descriptions of each scene. The storyboard will help you visualize the book and plan out the illustrations for each page. Additionally, you'll also need to have the Midjourney illustrations ready to go. Once you have those elements, you're ready to start designing your children's book. To get started, you'll need to create a free account on their website. Once you're logged in, you'll see the homepage, which is where you can access all of their design tools. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the menu that allows you to create a new design or choose from a variety of templates. You can choose the book cover or book interior template for your children's book. The cover of your children's book is the first thing your readers will see, so you want to make sure it's eye-catching and reflects the theme of your book. You'll start by selecting the book cover template and then customizing it with your own images and text. By doing this, first select the Create a Design button in the upper right corner of your homepage. Then, choose US Letter under the Documents tab. This will give you a letter-sized page to work with. Next, you'll want to import your Midjourney illustrations into Canva. To do this, select the Uploads tab in the left-hand navigation panel and click on the Upload an Image or Video button. From there, select the file you want to upload and it will appear in your Uploads folder. Now it's time to start laying out your cover. You can add text boxes, shapes, and other design elements by selecting them from the left-hand navigation panel. Use the drag and drop feature to move your Midjourney illustrations into place, and then add your text boxes. Once you've finished designing your cover, you can export it as a PDF or PNG file. To do this, select the Download button in the top right corner of the screen and choose the file format you want. Excellent work! You've created your first book cover. In our next episode, we will continue to incorporate our script, storyboard, and illustrations from Midjourney to complete the look of our children's book in Canva. Thank you for joining me again as we further our knowledge of how to write a children's book for Kindle. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next installment. Looking forward to seeing you again. Take care and all the best.